CN is on the case, backwards. And I'd like to thank Buddy. Buddy, I don't know your name. Tell me your name. I never asked you your name. The guy, Mr. Cool Trains in Montreal, for telling me about this stop. I am quite impressed, I must say. Right next here to Highway 20. St. Jacques Street is that way. Jeez, Murphy, it's windy today. God damn it. Oh my God. I was wondering what I'm doing out here, but hey, I just filmed a CSX train. I don't want to hear what I'm saying with all this goddamn wind. Ah. Look at that, with beautiful crew cab, Freightliner, beautiful Beaconsfield train station. It's a beautiful clouds. Yeah, man. I don't like that Freightliner. That's fucking ugly. I've said it before and I'll say it again. It looks like a Freightliner trying to look like a Dodge Charger or something with that trapezoid grille. You know? Oh, look at this. Here's something I've never seen, man. Look at that. A Ford F800 on a high rail system. How cool is that? That's sweet, man. Shit, just that alone is worth the wait here in the freezing freaking cold. That's cool, man. I'm still waiting on a slow to slow signal here. I don't know if VIA's are afraid. I don't know. Yeah, man. Wow. White out conditions. White out conditions, man. Oh, cool. Look at this. There's fucking two of them there. Wow. And I keep hearing a fucking train horn. I don't know what the fuck. If it's on the commuter train line or it's from here. Oh, there's that truck again. What the hell? He's fucking lost. Wow. Cool. Okay, the fact that there's two of these on two tracks, that's not a very good sign though in terms of getting some freight action now, you know? Seriously. Wow, never got one of these guys in a snowstorm. Yeah, buddy! Yeah, man. Fuck, thank God for the hill that's to my right, or else I'd be freezing my ass off like I was in LaSalle before. Man, sorry for shaking, but I'm really zoomed in several hundred feet here. I got all the timing today with trains and got a QPF car responding. Now I got Mr. CN maintenance and repair high rail truck there. Dorval. Funny though, I got a CSX, but I haven't seen a CN train though today. Saw a bit of a fender bender though. Got a clear signal on the CP side down there. Could be a commuter, could be a freight. Yeah, it's like a clear to slow. Yeah, next to the fucking rat race here, as you can see. On a balmy fucking February 24th, let me tell you. It's like 8 degrees Celsius. It's crazy. That truck looks brand new actually. Of course I got my eye in the distance though. And I can't believe I got that CN track train there. The CN fucking track laying train, whatever the hell you call it. You know? Oh. Shit, I almost missed it. It's weird, it's just squealing away for some reason. Here, heavy rig on a high rail. Oh baby, that's fucking cool. To me, that's about as cool as seeing a freight. That's awesome. Coming off the high rail or going on? Looks like coming off. They're switching. Man, I just missed the freight too, like 20 minutes ago. Oh, what's that? Oh, good old top kick.